Mmm. That. This is how you eat a whole cucumber. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the onion.
Sliced and diced.
Now we're gonna cut up the shrimp. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. Now we're gonna add the whipped cream cheese. Now we're gonna add the shaved Parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna add the Caesar dressing. We're gonna add a little bit of ranch. Not too much. We're gonna add a little creamy Italian dressing. My sous chef is a little under the weather, so I'm gonna be adding the rest of the ingredients, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and add the seasonings.
Yay, seasoning.
We're gonna add some garlic. A little bit of garlic salt. All right, now, so we're gonna add some everything but the bagel seasoning, but not a lot. All right, that's enough. That's enough. And now we're gonna add a little bit of MSG, accent, whatever you wanna call it, okay? Use it to your liking. Now for the fun part, it's time to shake. All right, now it's time for the best part. Time to taste. Let me give y'all a little show. Let me show y'all what it looked like, y'all. This is what it looks like inside. This is like our shrimp Caesar cucumber salad, okay? Yummy. I already know it's good. Let's give it a taste test. All right, y'all. So we're going to give y'all a real taste test here. Got a little bit of croutons in here as well. And I'll put some to the side. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Mmm. Glad I added the crouton. It's good? It really is good, y'all. No lie. You don't got to do too much with the everything bagel seasoning, but add this crouton. Definitely taking it to the next level. Good.
I love it.
There you go. Gotta go.
Bye.